And how does Balsamiq enable some of this? You talk a lot about creativity and ideation, and everybody's going this way, and you're trying to go this way. How does Balsamiq help with that?
Well, for one, I can come up with crazy ideas and just quickly iterate. I would consider myself like a super power user of Balsamiq. I love the keyboard shortcuts, the fact that I can pull up an icon with a / and get exactly what I want and place it with Shift Enter. And it's so much faster. And what Balsamiq does is with those limited controls, it's easy to stay focused on what you're really trying to work out at this stage, which is what's the message. A lot of the stuff I'll do in Balsamiq is copywriting. It's figuring out how the words are going to fit on the page. I think the conventional wisdom is don't write the copy while you're doing the design because you don't want words to be affected by how it's going to lay out. I actually think it's the opposite. The layout and the words go together. And so there's a lot of work that goes into just shaving things off or refining or cutting things just to hone in on the message.